Today, I'm going to share with you how to make a time-lapse video so you can make a video that looks like this. To capture this shot, I am using Time-Lapse 360 video mode at 11K 30 frames per second at a 5-second interval. In the exposure settings, I am using manual exposure mode, the vivid color profile, the shutter speed set to auto, ISO set to 100, the EV set to -0.7 and the white balance fixed at 5500 Kelvin. About 45 minutes before sunset, I mounted a clamp onto a railing, extended the selfie stick for a clear 360 view and let the time-lapse run for at least 1 hour. To edit the shot, the first thing I'm going to do is add speed to make the shot shorter. Right now it's 15 seconds long and I want to make it around 7 seconds. So I will speed it up by 2 times. So to do this, I will go to Tools, Speed, tap 2 times speed and confirm. Next, I'm going to reframe the shot. So I'll go to the beginning of the timeline. I want to start on the left-hand side of the sun. You can see that the horizon is slightly bent, so I will correct this as well. So to do this, I will add a keyframe. I will use the dewarp field of view to zoom in, and then I will go to rotate, straighten the horizon. Then I'll go to the end of the timeline, move the view towards the right-hand side, add a keyframe, and I will use rotate to straighten the horizon. And now when I play it back, I have a time-lapse shot.